corner YouTube. Hopefully this is working better than the other set. For some reason I had a 7 silver. I have a 7 silver. And the audio just keeps cutting out. I thought it was the cards, but it was not the card. Got shown that yesterday with brand new gold cards in it. Standing there talking to somebody, and I had no audio, and then I had audio, and then I had no audio. So I have upgraded at great expense, so hopefully this will be working. Went back to my Purple Panda microphone and dongle and Hero 8 Black. The things I do for y'all. It aggravates me to no end when I have no audio, especially a day like yesterday when we're at Celebration of Life and they did the toast for them, and that was all dead silence, no sound. I can honestly say I don't know if it was the camera or the Bluetooth or the SENA helmet. I never heard the helmet say it disconnected over and over and over, but I did hear it say it was connected. Coming to get me. Alright, so let's see how we're sounding now with the lots of people down here today. Sunday morning breakfast. Oh, why is the boat ramp closed today? Must be having a function. Alright, so let's try this like we tried yesterday with no sound. Welcome to Port Tampa, low tide, low tide. All the birds are chowing down. All that grass you see out there, if you can see it, is that's Trout Village, man, during the day. There's the dirty blue mule. And there's my whiskey, whiskey. I would have came. Alright, kids, y'all have a great day. We try to get used to this new one. We'll see ya. I'm gonna take a look, see if it's still. Yep. Hey, we're recording. Bitches.